we got my nice warm honey hot buffalo sauce. And I'm just going to give it a nice little drizzle. My wife probably doesn't want too much, but she does love the honey hot. And again, the honey hot is Louisiana hot sauce, quarter cup of butter. So it's about a half a bottle of Louisiana hot sauce, which would be about a quarter of a cup or so of Louisiana hot sauce, half a cup of butter, and then some carne sutra and some honey. So feel free to do it as you feel the taste, the way that you like it. But what we're going to do, we're going to take this, and I have just recently learned exactly how to really roll burritos, is that you want to bring it up and you want to pull it back so you make it tight. And then when you roll it over, then you're going to fold in your ends, which this one is definitely going to be pretty tight here. Last but not least, I'm going to open it up here, and I'm going to show you guys what we got, just so that, let me make sure I cut through the paper because my knife is not that sharp, but at least then we might have been able to cut through the paper. All right. How's that?
Boom.
Can you guys see that? How good does that look right there? I'm just trying to make sure we get a good picture here. Is that one a good one? All right, so I'm TD. It's TD's Boom Barbecue, baby. We'll see you guys next week. Join us Wednesday, 12:30, and then join us next week for the Bears Halftime Quick Recipe Show. See you guys later.
Love you guys. 2 more touchdowns. He don't even have a touchdown. Come on.
You're fucking nuts.